Hello everybody, Master G here with Mr. Durantis. Let's work on learning our palm strike or Jang Kwan Kong Yuck.
Jang Kwan Kong Yuck, sir.
Once more, Jang Kwan Kong Yuck.
Kong Yuck.
Good. The palm strike, we're going to open up our hand nice and strong like we are doing the Iron Man or the Elsa, and we are going to be hitting with the ridge of our hand. Now, some people like to curl their fingers to make their hand even tighter and pull their wrist back. That's fine. It's a style preference thing. It doesn't matter, but we are not hitting with this part of our hand. We're hitting with the bottom or the strong, dense bone right there. Good, and this is targeting to the bridge of the nose or to the solar plexus. But for right now, we're gonna target to the bridge of the nose. He's gonna step into that front stance. Height! Height! Good, and reset. Excellent for self-defense, very easy to pull off. Ready, once more. Height! Height! And reset. And now, opposite side. Height! Height! And reset. Height! Height! Good, and on a target. Height! Height! And reset. Once more. Height! Height! Good, and that is our palm strike or Jang Kwan Kong Yuck in Korean. Practice what you learned, make it rock.